Can you show me the apple? So what happened? What happened to the apple?
A bird did it.
What kind of bird?
A black one that he ate an apple. Got his ears wide open.
How big is the bird's mouth?
This side.
Super big.
He was pulling this part and this one.
And was there another apple that got bit by that bird?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
There it is.
Wow. So that must have been one hungry bird.
Yeah.
So what did the bird, it looked like a black bird?
Yep, with yellow stripes.
With yellow stripes.
But you know what? Look at this garden full of pumpkins.
Yeah, those are some pretty big pumpkins, huh?
You know what? We're going to take this pumpkin for Halloween.
You gonna make a jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah.
Cool.
What's a jack-o'-lantern?
It's when you carve a face into a pumpkin and put a candle inside of it.
A scary face.
Well, sometimes they're funny faces.
Can I get a scary face when I make one?
Yeah. Well, thank you for showing me the apples that were attacked by the birds. Is that the bonsai apple tree?
The bum.
Bonsai apple tree, the mini apple tree?